Good morning. Today we are going to see how to install SQL 2016 on a virtual machine. So I got the virtual machine installed and I have the SQL setup mounted on the D drive. Double click on the installation media, so it will open the SQL installation wizard. Here we go. So click on the installation, new SQL standalone installation. This is an evaluation version. Click next. Accept the license terms. Click next. So SQL is checking the compatibility. Click next. Click next. Next. So in this section we can choose the various features we need to install. So the first four features, that is server replication, full text and semantic external for season, data quality services, policy based quality service of data analysis service and reporting services. These are the main features, main services which runs, and we got shared features on the below as well. I'm selecting all. The below screen we can choose the installation path where we need to install the SQL Server. So I'm choosing the default path. Click next. Oh, okay. So SQL is checking the required components, and we got two errors. One is Microsoft .NET Framework, and the another one is Oracle. So we need to install those two components before we can proceed. I'm going to my control panel. Okay. Uh, I need to install the Windows feature, so I have to go to the Server Manager now. Add roles and features. Framework. Click next. Install. Now we need the Oracle JRE 7 and 7 updates as well. The installation is going to take a couple of minutes. So going to the Java site, Oracle site, I need to choose the x64 version of Windows. Okay, I'm downloading it. Okay, the .NET installation is still going on. It seems it's taking time, long time than usual. Let's verify it again. Okay, install the Java. 3 billion devices run on Java. It's a good message. Okay, here we go. On the backend, .NET Framework installation mode completed. Now we need to install the Oracle. Okay, that's also all completed. Let's verify it again. Oh yes, we are good. Here we can choose the instance, default or named instance. I'm choosing the default one. Here we need to choose the service account and the passwords. We can have different service accounts for each service. Like SQL Server agent should run on one service. Uh, but for simplicity, I'm choosing the NT service and going forward. Okay, this is the configuration screen. Here we need to add the users who have an SA access. Even we can use a mixed mode authentication with the SQL authentication and Windows authentication, a combined mode we can run. Otherwise, we can choose a Windows authentication only. I'm adding the current user here. Next. Okay, I missed the SA password. Oops. Password didn't match. Let me type it again. Next. Add current user. Give next. Install. Add current user. Click next. Click next. So this is the final confirmation screen about all the validations. After all the validations, so click next, install. So the SQL is started installing, and this is going to take a couple of maybe 10 to 20 minutes of time. So I'm gonna skip this video for a while. Okay, here we are. A little more, a little more. Okay, here is the final screen. Yes, this is completed. So now we are good. We have a good SQL Server running over here. Let's log into it. Click on SSMS. So the Manage Studio console is opening. Okay. Choose the server name, browse for more, and we will see the database engine is installed. We can see the analysis service and the reporting service is also got installed. So we can choose the database engine, click OK, click connect. We are in the console. Thank you very much for listening.